Pay attention, viewers. I am telling AI English romantic song. She is making me an English song at the same time.
I've been searching for the words to say to describe the feeling deep inside my heart. Every time you're near, my world becomes a dream, and I never.
In this video, I will show you how to create a song using AI like a singer. Can you imagine this? First, open your browser and search suno.ai. You will see a page like this. You click make a song. Now you have to click on create, sign up with your ID. I am logging with my Gmail account. You can see a headline at the top that says song description. Write here what kind of song you want. Remember to write the best song description you can. AI will prepare music you as beautifully as possible. I am writing my way. Now click on create. Here a song is composed of two different boys. I hope you understand how to create song.
I've been searching for the words to say to describe the feeling deep inside my heart. Every time you're near, my world becomes a dream, and I never wanna wake up from your love. Your smile is like the sun. I've been searching for the words to say to describe the feeling deep inside my heart. Every time you're near, my world.
Now you will see how to download this song. Now I will show you how you can create your own song here. Sorry, I cannot write song, so I am writing from ChatGPT. Write an English song DJ. I am coughing and pasting from here. Everything as before. Hope you understand everything. Let me know how you like the video and subscribe the channel to get such videos all the time. Thank you.
In the glow of neon lights, we dance tonight, lost in the rhythm, feeling so alive. The beats are guide as we collide in this electric world.